ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय आणव शाखिया बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद। 2 days back there was one shabda नेतव्याः in on page 185. एवं ऊर्ध्वमूलम अधशाखम in टीका इत्यादि गीतापि नेतव्याः। नेतव्याः णी प्रापणे धातु is there. In that dhatu sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho, first that sutra will come. So any dhatu which has ig anta means iu related, they will get the guna in the antima part. So e will become a. So netavya in this way. So ne, then tavyat pratyaya. So ni is the dhatu, tavya pratyaya, and then you will have to make it a pratipadika, and then suauja supratyaya you will put. So here shash will become us, and then you will have to do पूर्वत्र
प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः।
प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः. So this way नेतव्याः, this शब्द will be there. द्वितीय बहुवचन. We were seeing the Bhashya on page 188, third line. तदेवं भूतम जगद अव्याकृतम सन नाम रूपाभ्यामेव नामना रूपेणैव च व्याक्रियत. तदेवं भूतम, this jagat which is of this nature, evam bhutam. Earlier it is avyakritam. So avyakritam san nama rupabhyam eva vyakriyate. Vyakriyata. Namna rupena, it is given in the tritiya vibhakti. Namna rupena eva. So in tika, tritiyam इत्थम भावार्थत्वेन व्याचष्टे. तृतीया विभक्ति is for इत्थम भाव. What is the दृष्टांत for इत्थम भावे तृतीया? जटाभिस्तापसः. तृतीया जटाभिस्तापसः. जटाभिः तापसः. So there jat तृतीया is करण अर्थे सामान्यतः, but there तृतीया is ज्ञापक. Jata is ज्ञापक of tapasvi. Jata is not karana of tapasvi. So this is called itham bhavena tritiya. This is the sutra. Itham bhavarthatvena vyachashte. Namna rupena. Both are tritiya, right? Namna and rupena. So in this, nama and rupa are the jnapaka of jagat. In this way you should understand. Just as jata is jnapaka of tapasvi. नामना रूपेण क्रियापद प्रयोगाभिप्रायम तद अनुवाद पूर्वकम आह. क्रियापद प्रयोग व्याक्रियत is there. This kriyapada prayoga is the abhipraya, means the intention there is tad anuvada purvakam aha. So earlier he said namna rupena evacha vyakriyata, full stop, right? Then vyakriyata iti, this is the anuvada purvakam. He is explaining what is vyakriyata. व्याक्रियत इति कर्म कर्तृ प्रयोगात् तत् स्वयमेव आत्मैव व्याक्रियत. कर्म कर्तृ प्रयोग मीन्स कर्म itself is karta. Normally karta and karma are different. Here karma kartru prayog means karma is used in the sense of karta. Like they give the drishtanta, like if somebody kuthara is there, right? He is breaking the wood. So if the wood is hard, so he has to put forth lot of effort. So in that there is lot of kartrutva bhava. Because he is putting forth effort, somebody sees he is struggling, and after some time he has done it. Let's say that wood is so soft, you put one strike and it splits. So then somebody says, इसमें करना क्या है? What is there to do? It is just happening by itself. By itself means not that karta is not there. Karta is there, but how people will make the statement, वो लकड़ी अपने आप फट जाती है. अपने आप नहीं होता. Karta is there, but this is a gauna prayoga. So like that, jagat swayameva vyakriyate. Swayameva means it is jada. Swayam vyakaranam cannot happen. So Paramatma is there. But right now, karma kartra prayoga is used by Shruti to show Paramatma is not really interfering there. Its sannidhi is nimitta is there, things are happening in this. Tat swayameva atmaiva vyakriyate. Atmaiva means atmana eva, means by itself. Vyakriyata vi a akriyata. विस्पष्टम नाम रूप विशेष अवधारण मर्यादम व्यक्ति भावम आपद्यत. So व्याक्रियत means व्यक्ति भावम आपद्यत. It becomes manifest, it becomes distinct. With what? नाम रूप विशेष अवधारण मर्यादम. नाम रूप विशेष अवधारण, until that पर्यंतम. Avadharanam, Maryadam means Paryantam, up to that point. Means up to that Nama Rupa is clearly known, it goes on expressing, manifesting. So here, yesterday as I explained, You have Atma and you have Jagat. You have Nirguna Brahma and you have this Nama Rupatmaka Jagat. That Nama Rupatmaka Jagat before Vyakti Bhava is Avyakta, right? So the expression is tadhedam tarhi avyakritam asit. Idam avyakritam asit. So idam Jagat was earlier avyakritam. Avyakritam means it was Paramatma Swarupa. This Jagat was Paramatma Swarupa. So Jagat Vyakriyate means Paramatma Vyakriyate. In this way you have to understand. Swayameva. Tika. तत्र पदच्छेद पूर्वकम तद वाच्यम अर्थम आह. पदच्छेद इज द व्याक्रियत मीन्स वी आ उपसर्ग पूर्वक अक्रियत. दिस इज द पदच्छेद. दिस इज वाच्यम अर्थम, वाच्य अर्थ व्याकृत इत्यादि. स्वयमेव इति कुतो विशेष्यते. व्हाई यू हैव टू हैव से स्वयमेव व्याक्रियते, व्याक्रियत इति कुतो विशेष. व्हाई दिस विशेषण इज गिवन. Why we cannot give? So it says karanam antarena karyotpatti ayukta iti ashankya. Without karana karya utpatti is not possible. So if some karya is there, there has to be some karana. So jagat is karyam. If you say karana has to be there. सामर्थ्यात. भाष्य. सामर्थ्यात आक्षिप्त नियंत्र कर्तृ साधन क्रिया निमित्तम. So samarthyat means because of this samarthya that karya utpatti cannot happen without karana, and therefore some niyanta has to be there, some karta has to be there, some sadhana and some kriya nimittam. All this has to be there. Niyanta means prayojaka. Karta means prayojya. And then karana. Sadhana means karana. And kriya nimitta, so they are karaka. So this, either you say from upadhi pradhanata, jagat which was unmanifest became manifest, or you say Paramatma who was unmanifest becomes manifest in this one. But yesterday we saw it is vivarta. Already we saw that. Okay. What is the lakshana of vivarta? Vivarta. Atatvato anyatha bhava. There is another shloka that is mentioned. Yas tatviko nyatha bhavo भावः परिणाम उदाहृतः. अतात्विकोऽन्यथा भावो विवर्त इत्युदीर्यते. Something like that is there. Yes, tatviko. Tatvika means actually it happens. Actual anyatha bhava. Yes, tatviko anyatha bhava is parinam. And atatviko anyatha bhava is vivarta. I have shared that shloka. यस्तात्विकोऽन्यथा भावः परिणाम उदीरितः अतात्विकोऽन्यथा भावो विवर्तः स उदीरितः. फर्दर निर्हेतु कार्य सिद्धि अनुपपत्त्या आक्षिप्तो नियंता जनयिता कर्ता च उत्पत्तौ साधन क्रिया कारक व्यापार तन्निमित्तं तदपेक्ष्य व्यक्ति भावम आपद्यते इति योजना. निर्हेतु कार्य सिद्धि is not possible. Anupapatti means without karana. Hetu means karana. Without karana, karya cannot happen. Therefore, you have to do akshepa. Akshepa means you have to assume that there is one niyanta, which is janahita. 9 number tippani, prayojakaha. And karta means 10 number tippani, prayojya. What is the difference between prayojaka and prayojya? If you remember, Shabdi Bhavana and Arthi Bhavana. So Devadatta is there and Yajnadatta too are there, right? So one is the Prayojaka. He tells you cook the Odanam Pacha. So then the other person gets the Bhavana. So one is Prayojaka, is Niyanta here. And Prayojya is Karta. It is not that every time there have to be two. There can be two. There need not be two. But here two names have to be given. One is, that is why in Tippani, in Tika it is given Niyanta means Janayita and Karta cha, right? So one Janayita is there, one Karta is there. Then Utpattau, Sadhana Kriya is also required. Some sadhana is, Karanas are required. All of them, they will go in Karaka category. Karaka Vyapara. Tan Nimittam Tadapekshya Vyakti Bhavam. So with them as Nimitta means keeping them in mind with their apeksha, Vyakti Bhavam Apadyate. Idam Jagat. Iti Yojana. नाम सामान्यम देवदत्तादिना विशेष नामना संयोज्य सामान्य विशेषवान अर्थो नाम व्याकरण वाक्ये विवक्षित इत्याह. नाम सामान्यम because it is given asau nama, then idam rupaha. Idam rupam is not bahuvrihi then, because here asau nama idam rupaha. Nama samanyam, like Devadatta is its name, so this is Vyaktikaranam, right? Vishesha namna sanyojya samanya visheshavan artho. So samanya, everybody has a name. Vishesha nam is Devadatta. Nama vyakarana vakye vivakshita ityaha in bhashya. Asau nameti. So asau nama iti. Sarvanamna avishesh abhidhanena nama matram vyapadishati. His name is indicated by this avishesha abhidhana. What are they? Devadatto Yajnadatta itiva. Nama itiva nama asya iti asau nama ayam. Asau nama ayam. What is the pratipadika of asau nama?
Asau naman.
Asau naman. Tika. असौ शब्दः श्रौतो अव्ययत्वेन नेयः. असौ शब्द which is there in the Shruti, Shrauto avyayatvena neyaha. So asau is avyaya shabda. Not like other shabda, prathama ekvachanam is asau, not that way. Because how the usage is given, based on that, avyayatvena, we should understand. रूप सामान्यम शुक्ल कृष्णादिना विशेषेण संयोज्य उच्यते रूप व्याकरण वाक्येन इत्याह. रूप सामान्यम Shukla, Krishna, these are all Rupa. How many Rupas are given in Tarka Sangraha? 7. What are they? Shukla is there, Krishna, Pita, Harita, Chitra. But it has another name. Huh? Lohita is there. Shukla, Krishna, Pita, Lohita, Kapisha. Kapisha is grayish or brownish, whatever they say, both. So 7 are there according to, and whatever is remaining, it you put Chitra, Vichitra, mix. विशेषण संयोज्य उच्यते रूप व्याकरण वाक्येन तथा इदम इति शुक्ल कृष्णादीनाम अवशेषः इदम इदम शुक्लम इदम कृष्णम वा रूपम अस्य इति इदम रूपः असौ नाम इदम रूपः टीका लास्ट लाइन ऑन प्रीवियस पेज अव्याकृतमेव व्याकृतात्मना व्यक्तम इति एतत् सुप्त प्रबुद्ध दृष्टान्तेन स्पष्टयति. How do you say what was avyakritam that alone has manifested? It can happen that something else was unmanifest, something else is manifesting. Means this is doing Satkaryavada Purti. That Satkarya means something was there unmanifest, that alone is now appearing. Not that something else is appearing totally new. So how do you say? He gives the example of Supta Prabuddha, a person who is sleeping, who wakes up. So the one who slept alone is waking up. Not that Prajna is different, Vishwa is different, Taijasa is different. Same Brahma with Jagrat Avastha Upadhi is called Vishwa. With Swapna Avastha Upadhi is called Taijasa. Sushupti Avastha Upadhi is called Prajna. Second number Tippani. Same Brahma with Jagrat Avastha Upadhi is called Vishwa. Swapna Avastha Upadhi is called Taijasa. Sushupti Avastha Upadhi is called Prajna. So that Brahma is same. Avastha Bheda is there. So essentially, Paramatma Vastu is one. In the same way, here also, just as Supta Purusha is itself Prabuddha, in that way, see now, second number Tippani. Tadidam iti Vartamana Kale Sushuptau Avyakrita Vastu Jatam Jagaradau Vyakriyamanam Drishtam अतः सर्गादावपि पूर्वम अव्याकृतस्य व्याकरणम दृष्टानुसारात् कल्प्यम इति भावः. वर्तमान काले सुषुप्तौ अव्याकृत वस्तु जातम. In वर्तमान काल सुषुप्तौ what had become अव्याकृतम जागरादौ व्याक्रियमाणम दृष्टम. In जागृत etc. it becomes manifest व्याक्रियमाणम. अतः सर्गादावपि पूर्वम अव्याकृतस्य. In the same way, in this srishti also, what was avyakrita, its vyakaranam happens during utpatti kala. Drashtanusarat kalpyam. So what is seen in the world, that gives you vyapti. Based on that, srishti kale nobody else is there. So for Anumanam, this is the Vyapti. Shruti Pramana is there, irrefutable. Avyakೃತ ವಸ್ತು ಜಾತಂ. अव्याकृत वस्तु जातम वस्तु समूहम. The collection of things which are all avyakrita. In waking, everything becomes vyakrita. भाष्य तदिदम अव्याकृतम वस्तु एतर्हि एतस्मिन्नपि काले नाम रूपाभ्याम एव व्याक्रियते असौ नाम अयमिदम रूप इति. तद इदम अव्याकृतम वस्तु, दिस अव्याकृत वस्तु, एतर्हि एतस्मिन्नपि काले, that same avyakrita is there now also. How? Nama rupa bhyam eva vyakriyate. It is manifesting with nama rupa etc. Tika. Important vakya is coming. Tadhetyatra मूल कारणम उक्त्वा तन्नाम रूपाभ्याम इत्यादिना तत्कार्यम उक्तम. इदानीं प्रवेश वाक्यस्थ सशब्द अपेक्षितम अर्थम आह. स एव इह प्रविष्ट, स एष इह प्रविष्ट. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट वाक्य ना. इन द मंत्र तद्देदम तर्हि अव्याकृतम आसीत् नाम रूप असौ नाम अयमिदम रूप अप टू दैट. देन स एष इह आनखाग्रेभ्य प्रविष्टः. सो स एष इह प्रविष्टः. व्हाट इज दैट स? हु इज एंटरिंग? सो दैट इज नाउ गिवन. तद् इति अत्र मूल कारणम उक्त्वा, हैविंग मेंशन्ड द मूल कारणम, तन्नाम रूपाभ्याम इत्यादिना तत्कार्यम उक्तम. मूल कारणम is also given. Nama Rupatmaka is Karyam. Karya Karana both are given. Now who is going to enter where? Karana is going to enter in Karya. So Pravesha Vakyastha, this is called Pravesha Shruti. Pravesha Vakyastha Sa Shabda Apekshitam Artham Aha. That Sa Shabda, what is the meaning of Sa Shabda? See Bhashya. Bhashyakara, how Brahma Tattva is so clear to Bhashyakara, no matter what he is writing, creation, this, that, whatever. This line you can underline, this portion. Yadarthaha sarva shastrarambho yasmin avidyaya swabhavikya कर्तृ क्रिया फलाध्यारोपणा कृता यह कारणम सर्वस्य जगतो यदात्मके नाम रूपे सलिलादिवत सलिलाद इव स्वच्छान मलमिव फेनम अव्याकृते व्याक्रियेते यश्च ताभ्याम नाम रूपाभ्याम विलक्षणः स्वतो नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त स्वभावः स एषो अव्याकृते आत्मभूते नाम रूपे व्याकुर्वन् ब्रह्मादि स्तंभ पर्यंतेषु देहेषु इह कर्मफल आश्रयेषु अशनायादिमत्सु प्रविष्टः. Bhashyakar has to explain only this. Sa esha pravishtaha, right? How he explains so beautifully. Whatever he wants to use as, so that I never lose the focus. First, you see now, yad arthaha sarva shastrarambha, that for which all the shastras have begun. Means shastras have only this purpose. What? To reveal Brahma. Yadarthaha sarva shastrarambha. 1. Yasmin avidyaya swabhavikya, in whom, because of swabhaviki avidya, kartru kriya phala adhyaropa takes place. कर्तृक्रिया फल अध्यारोपण कृता, अध्यारोपणम कृतम, अध्यारोपण कृता. Second, this is second लक्षण. Third, यह कारणम सर्वस्य जगतः, that which is the अभिन्न निमित्त उपादान कारणम of जगत. Fourth, यदात्मके नाम रूपे सलिलात् इव स्वच्छान मलम इव फेनम अव्याकृते व्याक्रियते. So salilat iva swachat. Salila means water. From the clean water, hena, budbuda, etc., they are in the form of malam. So like that, from the pure Brahman, impure nama rupas become manifest. But yadatmake means their swarupa is Brahma only. Just as Fena, Budbuda, Ityadi, they are nothing but Salilam. 4 are done. Fifth one now. Yascha tabhyam nama rupabhyam vilakshanaha. And that which is different from all those nama rupa. Even though it manifests as all those, it is different from them. So these are 4. These 4 you can use as tatastha, 5. They are tatastha lakshanas. Or at least 4 of them. Sarva Shastra Arambha, you don't have to. Sarva Shastra Arambha. Sarva Shastra means Vaidika, Laukika, both. You can use this sutra, Shastra Yonitvat. And Swataha, Swarupa Lakshana is given, Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swabhava. This is its own nature. Sa Eshaha Pravishtaha. This is the Mukhya Vakya. कुत्र प्रविष्टः अव्याकृते आत्मभूते नाम रूपे व्याकुर्वन् तेषु प्रविष्टः. Having manifested all these means give some names. Brahmadi stambha paryanteshu sarva prani jateshu. In all these stambha paryanteshu deheshu iha, they all are what? Karma phala ashraya, karma phala ashrayeshu. And they have ashanaya, ashana pipasa ityadi, ashanayadi matsu. They all have hunger, thirst, some sukha, dukha, ityadi. In them, Paramatma has entered. This tika we will see in the next session. The whole page is that entire page there is tika for this. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.